video is part of a series to teach you the basic spreadsheet skills. In this video, you will learn how to use basic formulas. If you want to use some of the formatting techniques already shown on the screen, then check out the basic formatting video in the series. In the bottom left hand of the screen, you can see the four basic operands: addition, subtraction, multiply, and divide. The first two use the same symbols as you would expect in maths. However, multiply uses their asterisks, or more commonly known as the star, and division uses the forward slash. In this spreadsheet, in cell F4, we want to know the stock value of laptops. So we have a quantity of 2 in this cell, and we have a value of £500 in this cell. So in here we need to put a formula. We start off each formula with an equals sign. Then we can either type the cell reference or simply click in the cell. Then in this case we want to multiply using the asterisks on the keyboard, and then click the second cell and then press enter. In this cell we need to do the same thing. So press the equals, click on the quantity, and multiplication, which is the star or the asterisks, and click the unit price and then press enter. Same for this cell. And same in the last cell. In another video, I'll show you how to do these methods, a quicker method of these techniques. Now in cell F9, we want to add up all these values. So again, we start off with the equal sign. We click in the first cell, then press the plus sign on the keyboard, click in the second cell, plus sign again, third cell, plus sign again, and then the last cell, and then we press enter. One of the good things about spreadsheets is if we wanted to change a quantity, say for instance the quantity of laptops, change it to 4, when I press enter, you will notice in this cell, cell F4, then the actual total will change, as if by magic. So to recap those formulas, if I click in cell F4, you will see in the formula bar up here the formula I used. I click in total in F9, again you see the formula I've used in the formula bar. In this spreadsheet, we'll demonstrate subtraction and division. In cell D4, we need to subtract the cost price from the selling price. So we start off with equals, click the selling price and subtraction on the keyboard, and then the cost price, and press enter. And it automatically gives us the profit. We do the same in the next row. And again, one last time. Now with subtraction, the order matters. So if you've got a negative in one of these, you may have done the calculation around the wrong way. For instance, I click this cell first, take away that cell, then I get a negative number. Now to demonstrate division, I wouldn't necessarily normally do this, but just to demonstrate, this is done for demonstrating purposes. So again, equals, I'll use the total profit and divide by the quantity, and then press enter. Here we say 100 divided by 5 equals 20.